Hey everybody, Granite here, or also known as Mr. Sharp, and today we're going to be unboxing another Ultrasaber's lightsaber. Today, this isn't actually going to be one of my Ultrasabers, sad face, but it's going to be for my best buddy, Curt, also known as Mr. Troll. And he wanted me to unbox this for him because he's just out on vacation right now, and he actually got an opportunity on vacation to do some work where he is right now. And I'm proud for him, but I was really honored by the fact that he would let me unbox this for him. And pretty much, Curt, this is the video for you. Pretty much, your mom and I are going to be unboxing your lightsabers for you, and you're going to see what's on the inside and out. Anyway, without a further ado, let's go ahead and open this sucker up. Now let's see here. Open it up from the top. Yeah. All right. I don't know if this. I think this should be the right way, but really get in here. Yes, please. There we go. Okay. So now let's see. Oh, this is normal. There's gonna be lots of little bits in here, so we're gonna have to scramble that out. Eventually, we're gonna get to the it's the bubble wrap that's in here. So if you like bubble wrap, you're gonna be happy. At least you can pop a few of them. So here we go. So this here is before we just get into the whole thing here, this here is the like kind of their business cards. It's not really an instructions manual, but it just says like what their battery components are. And then this part here is the coupler. We'll go ahead and take that out in a little bit, but anyway, moving along here. Thank you, Diane. Wow, this is beautiful. I just took it out of the box and now it's like, man, I have to like literally unravel this. Oh boy. Here we go. I think it might be just this part. Wow, that is beautiful. So, oh, I just want to show the camera just for a second, right? Like, it's so exposed. So, oh, I think that's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna just. All right, we're back, and we got some scissors. Oh boy, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this John. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Flip that around. Very carefully go through this. Or actually, I think it might be bound. Yeah, there's like a few it's a few tapes we can roll out. It wasn't like this on mine because he has two together in this one. And I think there might be one more holding it together. Maybe not. Nope. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Holy crap. This is just fantastic. All right. Now it's officially glove time. So, holy crap. I really like the silver on this. I really like the silver. So, here we go. They're both going to be like the exact same, but both the exact same model. So this is the Apprentice LE Dark version. So the pommel is just a closed pommel because there's no sound in this. I think I like this more than mine, to be honest, the whole black and white deal. And he did spend a little bit extra money for the ring part here. It's honestly, comparing to mine, the black part on this one is a little bit stuffy and gets in the way. This one is just slightly more low profile because it's sort of in the hilt a little more. yet again your kind of grappling area and your choke point. So, and he also got a pointed tip. I don't have a pointed tip on mine, and wow, that looks cool. I'm gonna. Oh no! Oh my God! This is the one thing I wanted to know, and it's true. So the blade that I have, which is a 36 inch, this is a 32 inch, and 32 inches are recommended for like one-handed blades, or if you're doing a Saberstaff, which is what Curt's got here. Um, it makes it a lot more balanced, and already like I feel like that I can use this properly. Like it just feels a lot nicer. So okay, we're gonna figure out which color is what, because one color is different from the. Oh God, I gotta keep remembering that can't keep hitting those lights. So here we go. What? No. Oh, okay. So wow. The so this is the purple one, and then this is supposed to be the red one. I don't know why the other one's not turning on right now. It might be something to do with the battery current. Man, I really like the normal heavy mid grade. It just kind of has a core effect in this one. You do, I guess it doesn't carry the color all the way through exactly as mine would, but like the Ultra Edge, but this is just fantastic. That is beautiful. So I'm gonna check the battery component just in case here, because there might be one of the batteries might be loose. I'm not 100% sure. Yep, one of the batteries was kind of out. Okay, and he has a little bit more of a grip on it. So this is the wow. Oh my God, the red is looked menacing in this. Wow. So the red, it's extremely hard to see on. Wow, it's so bright on camera actually. But comparing both, like the red one is just it looks so. I think it's a trans. I think Curt might have gotten a trans on this one. That's why it's probably a slight bit brighter. When you have trans LEDs, they pretty much how the LED components work in them is that they'll be either 4 or 3 LED lights. I think this company does 3 LED lights, and he has 2 reds in this one. I think one there's one red, one blue to mix it in this one, but the red, oh my God, it's menacingly bright. The core effect just looks so. The core effect looks so much better than Ultra Edge. Even on like I'm looking at this on screen, and this one looks really blue. But all right, so I'm gonna turn both of these off. Oh, it does, and it's fantastic. All right, so I'm gonna kind of cut out this part of it because it's gonna take a bit long, but we're gonna go ahead and put in the coupler, and then we're gonna go outside and kind of lightly spin this thing around because I don't want to go super excited with this because not only is it not my thing to use, but I'm really bad with saber staffs, I'll tell you that. Okay, here we go. Hopefully it'll work this time. Now I don't know if it's going to come exactly perfect in a line with each other. I don't think they normally do, but we'll see. No, not exactly, but yeah, this is it. So in the alignment here, pretty much, there's the switch here and the switch here. They're almost aligned. I'm sure that you could probably do it if you fiddle around with it a little bit more, but I'm not gonna exactly do that. But point of balance is directly in the middle, which is definitely a good sign. And we'll just go ahead and ignite both sides. So it like on camera, it looks blue for the purple side, but trust me, it's purple, and it has like I love the core effect of these blades. It's just beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous, and even for the red is just even more menacing than the purple. But anyway, let's go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and take this outside for a spin. Hopefully I won't cut myself down. So we're gonna do some basic spinning right out in daylight. Now I don't have the time unfortunately to do nighttime stuff, but we'll go ahead and give her a spin without and with light. So let's go ahead. Now we'll go ahead and turn on the lights on this one. You probably won't see it really well, but we'll go ahead and give it a spin with color in daylight. Alright, wow, that was pretty interesting. The Saberstaff, it's really hard, like, it's really well balanced, which I like a lot, but could I see myself using this in combat? Definitely not. I'm more of a one-hander kind of guy, and this is just really interesting to swing side to side. It's good leverage, but you have to get in really close though. Anyway, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and anyway, stay frosty. Haha, just kidding. I actually want to do this in the nighttime because it'll look cool. Wow, that is hella bright. So I'm going to be doing a few sets. First off, we're going to do one-handed, then one-handed each, and then together. So here we go. Take one of double sabers. Here we go. Alright, so now we're going to do take one of Saberstaff.
It's crazy.